Hello everybody and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Whop account to PayPal step by step. This will allow you to accept PayPal payments from your customers through your Whop community. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to whop.com. On the homepage, click on Login. Enter your email and password and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will land on your main screen. From here, look at the menu on the left side of the page. Click on the button that says Dashboard. This will take you to your Creator dashboard where you can manage your products, community, and payments. In the dashboard, look again at the left menu. Scroll down and click on the section called Payouts. This is where all the payment and withdrawal options are found. When you are in the Payouts section, look for a tab or link called Additional Payment Methods. Click on this option. Here, you will see the choice to set up PayPal as a payment method. Click on the button that says Set up PayPal. When you click this, Whop will ask you to enter the email address that is linked to your PayPal account. Make sure to enter the correct email, the one that is connected to your PayPal business account. Personal PayPal accounts may not work for this setup. After entering your PayPal email, Whop will send a request to PayPal to connect your account. If this is your first time linking Whop and PayPal, you may be asked to log into PayPal and approve the connection. PayPal may also ask you to verify your email or confirm your account. Follow the instructions that appear on your screen. This may include checking your email inbox and clicking on a confirmation link from PayPal. Once you complete these steps, your PayPal account will be connected to Whop. You should now see PayPal listed as one of your payment methods in the Payouts section of your dashboard. To make sure everything is working correctly, you can go to one of your products in your Whop dashboard. Under the pricing settings for that product, check to see if PayPal is available as a payment option. If it appears, that means your connection was successful. From now on, anytime a customer chooses to pay with PayPal, the money will go directly to the PayPal account you linked. This makes it easy and fast to collect your earnings. That's the full process. Now you know how to connect your PayPal account to Whop. Take a few minutes to test your setup and make sure your customers can check out smoothly.